Today's video is about foods that improves prostate health. Maintaining prostate health is essential for men's overall well-being and longevity. By incorporating certain foods into your diet, you can support prostate function and reduce the risk of prostate-related issues. Let's explore 7 delicious and nutritious foods that can help improve men's prostate health. 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Incorporate tomatoes into your diet in various forms, such as fresh tomatoes, tomato sauce, or tomato-based soups and stews to reap the benefits of this prostate-protective nutrient. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and improve prostate health. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to support overall prostate function. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, including those in the prostate. Add cruciferous vegetables to your meals regularly to promote prostate health and reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that have been associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer and improved prostate health. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily as part of your routine to support prostate function and overall well-being. 5. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect against prostate cancer and promote prostate health. Add a handful of fresh berries to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothie for a delicious and nutritious boost. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in essential nutrients like zinc, selenium, and vitamin E, which are important for prostate health. Snack on a handful of nuts or seeds, or sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for a prostate protective boost. 7. Soy products. Soy products like tofu, tempeh, and soy milk contain phytoestrogens called isoflavones, which have been associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer and improved prostate health. Incorporate soy products into your diet as a plant-based protein alternative to support overall prostate function. In conclusion, by incorporating these 7 prostate-friendly foods into your diet regularly, you can nourish your prostate and support overall men's health. Remember to maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary recommendations tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Here's to your prostate health and well-being. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Until next time, continue to embrace wellness